Carrying your bag, Abby? What's in your bag? Eh? Carry it with you. No, come on, come on. Take up that. Take up that, Carly. That's almond. Watch it and eat it. Almond. A whole heap. Can't count. Can't count. Be going with you guys. But just go with God.
Okay. They're going on too and we're going on.
Yeah. Yeah. Uno don't want to mix it up? Or Uno, you want both of you? Alright, two sisters, right? Alright. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
You go on one and then we're going on one.
You're going on the party one, you see, Cap. Big cheese.
Smile, guys, or look.
So with both of you, see how far away is, you can pull down your mask and take in the breeze.
And he can take off his mask too.
No, you just, yeah, good.
You could take off your mask if you want.
No, if he wants.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But don't lose it. Keep it over your head somewhere. On your arm somewhere.
How do you eat this?
Just wash it and eat it.
Eat the skin?
Yeah. And then inside of it you use a stone. Oh, let me show you. You can use a stone and burst it and you eat the thing like coconut. So Abby, you have your bag with your sanitizer. You put it over you. Put it before you. You know. And then time to me come here, sir. That time you know what? You're in a basic school. Me two girls them there, no, Sean.
Alright, Daddy.
Alright. One love.
Bye.
Yeah, just pull it. Yeah. Just keep it on your head or keep it on your forehead, Abby. So if you need it, you put it on. Alright, Sean, call me when you come back, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Respect.